Hello, everyone. Usually, I sit here and give you English strategies, but reading your comments, I realized something. Practicing alone is easy, but talking to a real person?
It's a nightmare. Your brain just freezes.
Exactly. Everyone, please welcome Sarah. She is brave enough to do a live experiment with us today. Sarah, how are you feeling?
Honestly, I'm terrified right now. My heart is beating so fast.
That is the perfect state for this video. Tell the audience, what is your biggest frustration when speaking English?
I can understand movies and books perfectly. But in real life, when someone asks me a question, I freeze. I translate their words into my language, build my answer, and translate it back to English. It takes so long.
And by the time you answer,
They are already looking at their phone or walking away. It makes me feel so stupid.
listen to me, and everyone watching at home. You are not stupid. Your brain is just working too hard. Today, Sarah and I are going to destroy that translation loop forever. Ready?
Ready. Let's do it.
The main reason you translate is that you think you have to build a brand new sentence from zero.
Well, yeah. If I don't build it, how can I answer?
Because I already built 50% of it for you. When I ask a question, I hand you the grammar. You just have to use the echo method.
Echo? You mean I should just repeat what you say?
Almost. I want you to steal my main verb. Don't think about rules. Just catch my verb and push it back to me. Let's test it live. Don't translate. Just listen and answer.
Okay,
Sarah, have you ever traveled outside of your country?
yes, I have traveled outside. Wait, I went to Turkey last year.
Stop. What just happened in your brain?
I didn't translate. I didn't even think about my native language.
Why not?
Because you said have traveled, so I just used have traveled automatically.
Exactly. Native speakers are lazy, Sarah. We recycle grammar. When you steal my words, your brain has no time to open the translation dictionary. Let's go faster. What were you doing this morning?
I was drinking coffee.
Perfect. You automatically match the past continuous tense without thinking about the formula.
Okay, that works if I understand you. But what if you use a word I don't know? That is when the panic starts.
Great question. When you hit a wall, you usually freeze, right?
Yes, and then I silently search for the word in my head while looking at the ceiling.
We are going to stop doing that. Instead of freezing, you need a bridge phrase.
Like, changing the subject.
No, like buying time. A bridge phrase is a sentence you memorize perfectly. Something like, I'm not exactly sure what you mean by that.
Oh, so I just admit I didn't understand?
Yes, but in a very confident way. Let's test it. I'm going to use a complex word. Do not panic. Just use the bridge phrase. Ready?
Ready?
Sarah, how do you think we can mitigate the discrepancies in modern education?
Wow, I'm not exactly sure what you mean by that. Can you say it in a simpler way?
Boom. How did that feel?
Actually, it felt powerful. Usually, I would feel embarrassed. But asking you to clarify felt like I was in control.
That is the secret to fluency. Fluency isn't knowing every word. It's knowing how to navigate the conversation when you don't know a word. Let's go one step deeper. Sarah, in your native language, what is your personality like?
I'm loud, I'm funny, I use my hands a lot.
And in English?
I'm a boring, shy robot.
That is the final reason you translate. You are trying to translate your native personality into English grammar. We need to drop the rules and activate your emotion.
How do I do that without making mistakes?
By not caring about the mistakes. Let's do a fast role play. We are at a cafe. You just spilled boiling hot coffee all over my new laptop. I want 100% emotion. Go. Oh my God. Sarah, my laptop. What did you just do?
Oh my gosh. Assad, I am so sorry. Get some napkins. Is it broken? I will buy you a new one, I promise.
Stop right there. Everyone watching, did you hear that speed? Sarah, did you translate any of that?
No, I was just trying to save the laptop.
When your emotion is higher than your fear of grammar, fluency happens automatically. Sarah, you just proved to everyone watching that fluency is already inside of them. How do you feel now compared to 6 minutes ago?
I feel like a huge weight is off my shoulders. The echo method and the bridge phrases, they really work.
You did the work. Now, to everyone watching at home, here is your homework for the next 24 hours. When you listen to English, do not focus on the whole sentence, just catch the main verb and echo it back.
Exactly. Stop trying to build your sentences from zero. Just steal the words they give you. It takes so much pressure off your brain.
I couldn't have said it better. Use your bridge phrases and let your emotion drive the conversation. Sarah, thank you for being so brave today.
Thank you for having me. It was a game changer.
If this conversation helped you, hit the like button so more learners can break the translation trap. Keep practicing, and we will see you in the next video.